Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda CRF450R Works Edition. This open class MX racer just arrived with very few hours. This is the factory upgraded model, Showa shocks, Yoshi exhaust, DID rims, Renthal bars. It's got a special seat. This fuel injected liquid cooled racer is only $89.99. Originally 15 grand out the door. Come on by, make your Works Edition dreams come true. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.